So in terms of preparation at the United Nations level and at the EU Parliament level, I would say that the majority of decisions should be taken when you do the team division, and you should prepare very well in advance. Because when you think about the United Nations and the EU Parliament, for example, negotiations at that level, you think about the multitude of the parties that are involved in the negotiation process. It becomes much more difficult to make any decisions or prepare the strategy or the tactics once you have the multi-stakeholders at the negotiation table. Hence, preparation before is a critical success factor. In terms of leadership, it varies depending on culture. Mostly the German, Swiss, and French cultures are very top-down decision makers. So the leader will be one making the decisions and setting the strategy and the tactics for the negotiation, and the others executors will follow through with that strategy. When you enter negotiations with the German, Swiss, or French counterparts, at the UN level, the most important is to put the fish on the table and to have a strong opening and embrace the conflict, which is very often contrary to what the representatives of these cultures feel confident with. In negotiations that reach an impasse with French, Swiss, and German counterparts, it's best to have a strong strategy in place that you can fall back on in a case that you cannot reach agreement.